And back home at the debt and currencies market, let's speak to the head fixed income at UBA, Bankole Odusoye, for a quick review. Good morning, Bankole. Thanks for joining us. Tell us, how much of a demand are we likely to see at the markets today?
Oh, thank you. The market is bullish, and you got it rightly. The reason is simply because most of the maturing funds from OMO and coupons coming in from bonds are actually chasing fewer securities, given the restriction most local corporates have from going back into the OMO market. Currently, the banking system is illiquid to the tune of lower than 20 billion naira. Most banks are currently being funded on the overnight at the rate of 15%, which is very high. Going into next month, because this month is ended, we are going to receive more than 200 billion in coupons from 4 different types of FGM bonds. These funds will go into pursuit of Nigerian treasury bills, which are already at 3% and below at the auction, and in the secondary market as low as 2%. And then you have seen this decline in yield also on FGM bond in the secondary market. Upon that, behind that, coming 2 weeks after from the bond auction we saw 2 weeks ago, yields have dropped between 100 and 200 basis points as prices continue to soar, simply because there are fewer instruments, debt instruments in the market compared to the amounts chasing them currently.
Now, what would be your projections for the coming week?
It's going to remain bullish. We expect prices to soar up further. And as most local corporates look for better yield on investments, we see appetite going towards the longer end of the bond, 2049, 2050 in particular. We expect rates to drop further at the next month's bond auction and the NTB ones also. However, there's still some uncertainty concerning how much the DMO will be willing to offer by way of debt securities, because we don't have the issuance calendar yet. We expect that to come in the next week, and then this shapes preparation going into next month and the next auction.
Head fixed income at UBA, Bankole Odusoye, thanks for sharing your thoughts with us.